Namaskar, welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS. Today we are going to do subject English for the secondary level, and the lesson number we are going to do is 13. Subject code number is 202. Lesson name you can see on the screen also. Name of the lesson is The Last Stone Mason. This is video's part 4. In this video, we are going to learn the grammar part, and we are going to practice present perfect tense. Tense is about time, and present perfect, this I am going to explain with more examples in further slides. Now you can see on the screen, there is one arrow and the timeline. So accordingly you can understand the PP is present perfect. Now you can see the red circles. The first red circle indicates past, the middle red circle indicates present time, and the third red circle indicates the future time. Let us now see this circle. The words written are has and have. You all must be aware of these two words. I hope. In brief, I will again explain you the meaning of has. With it, she and he, we use has. And how do we use have? With I, you, we, they. With these pronouns we use have. So after learning has and have, we can easily understand the use of past present. Now you can see this big red circle has this big arrow. As we know, the line indicates past, something which has happened in the past, and PP means present perfect, indicates the conversation which has happened recently, and also it is happening now. So that is why it is present perfect. You can say that it is 1 week ago or 1 month ago, or it has just started. So both ways you can use. How do we use it in sentences? Let us see further. Now you can see on the screen present perfect tense. So all these rules you must remember, how to place these words in the sentence, because while conversation we use so many sentences. We use negative sentences, we use positive sentences. Just like subject, you know there are different subjects: Hindi, English, mathematics, science. So this subject is a little different, like he, she, we, I, you. All these words also indicate subject. Has and have are related with the subject about which we are talking. So has and have would be used according to the subject, which I recently explained. And the next is verb. 3 is written along with verb, that I will be explaining further. And the next word is object. object means things, whatever we are talking about. So, the first line I think you have understood. You need to understand the sequence, you need to memorize the sequence, and accordingly you will use them in your sentences. So, this is important. And the second is negative. See, the word not not is written there. So, that is why it is a negative sentence. Before the verb we will use not, not, not. And the third line indicates question sentences, or you can say interrogative sentences. In this, the sequence of the words would be as it is shown on the screen. First has and have would be used, then subject, then third form of verb and object. The first and the foremost important thing you need to remember is verbs. These are the forms of verbs. We denote them by V1, V2 and V3. There are so many verbs and activities which we do, like sleeping, eating, standing. You can easily see them on the screen. The first table explains see, the verb see. See, the V2 is for the past tense. So, it means something which has happened and the work has been completed. So, accordingly V3 is the past participle. So, see is for present, saw is for past, and seen is for past participle. You can easily Google it and find lots of verbs. Now, see on the second table, the word forget is written there. It is a verb. See, the V2 is forgot. The actual word which we saw, the spelling was forgot, but in the V2 we are looking, this word has some spelling difference, it is forgot. So, accordingly with the time the verb spelling changes. Now, we can see these examples. These are the positive sentences. So, we would be now concentrating on the positive statements. The syntax is given in the blue color and the examples are in black color. The first example indicates she has finished her homework. See, finished means the work has recently been done. While conversation, we talk that she just recently completed her work. So, we have to remember that English grammar is different and sign language grammar is different. So, in English, when we use something is complete, then we use this third form of verb. The second statement indicates the train has left the station. See the word left. Left means something which has happened earlier. In sign language, we will just use a different sign, but in English grammar, we will use third form of verb. And in the third sentence, it is they have gone from Mumbai to Delhi. This is the sentence. In the fourth sentence, Rohan has seen this movie. It means recently he has completed the work. So, these are all the examples. Now, these are all the negative statements, or you can say negative sentences, which will be having not word. We all know that not means no. That is why it is called a negative sentence. Now, we will be looking at the examples. The first example is, he has not come here yet. Like, if you think that he has come here yet. Similarly, second example, if we talk about breakfast, is it ready? Then we can reply that I have not prepared breakfast yet. Arij is the name of a person. The sentence is, Arij has not taken tea. And the fourth example states that my brother has not written a book. So, all these sentences indicates that something has not happened recently. Now, these are the interrogative sentences, or you can say question statements. In this, there is some difference in the syntax, because these are question words or question sentences. So, some rule you need to remember. We will do examples first. First example is, have you read the book yet? The second example explains, has she worked in a restaurant? I thought that she is working in a bank. Then we can say that, has she worked in a bank? Now, the third example is, what time has my brother phoned? See, did word is not used here, but here we can use it. We can use, what time has my brother phoned? Phoned ed has been used, and has as has been used. In the fourth example, have we done our homework? So, all these four examples are interrogative sentences. So, positive, negative, and to question statements. These statements are for the past, present past statements. So, the structure of the sentence is important. We need to remember and practice them. Hope you all understood this, and hope you will all practice. The blue color statement indicates the syntax. You need to practice according to the blue line. Thank you. Namaskar.